varget at the range. I'll make sure it's sighted in because we're going out tomorrow for some coyotes. So just a little quick shooting day at the range. Also, since it's so hard to find CFE 223 powder, I made some loads with some varget, and we're gonna see how those shoot. We got plenty of varget at the house. I made 10 rounds of the varget, and I made it to where it's the same speed at 2,900 feet per second. And, just gonna shoot it, see what kind of groupies I'm getting. I'll probably shoot 3 rounds at the target, and then I'll try to do my MOA that is set for my other powder. Let's see how this one's shooting. It's 55 grain BMAX. Actually, pretty good. We're gonna go with 200 yards, see what they do. Yards. They shot pretty good. Well, not a bad grouping for that varget right there. That's 100 yards. So, that's really good. Now that we make sure the guns were sighted in, new test load's working out. Hopefully tomorrow we go out and get some of those bad boys right there hanging. Let me show you. Right there, look at that. This one right here is the one we shot last week. That's number 1 of the year. We're gonna go ahead and try to keep track of every coyote we get. And so far so good. See how it goes tomorrow.